Are you tired of drowning in a sea of endless emails? WorkChat is the ultimate tool for all of your workplace communication needs. Starting with connections, it's no fun talking to yourself. So invite your team members to UseVerb or search for individuals to add as connections. There are so many ways to help with better communication. Send a text message using the text box, send a voice message using the mic icon, and share files and photos easily by just drag and drop or using the plus icon. The React and Breakout features are real game changers. Boost your productivity by utilizing a wide range of reactions. A green tick for approval, thumbs up for agreements, and even host your own voting sessions. Set up your own rules for your team and have fun. If you want to discuss something further, use the Breakout chat. Say goodbye to cluttered conversations and focus on what truly matters. With the info icon in the top right corner, you will have access to the channel details. Here you can track all the messages you were mentioned in, quickly access Breakout chats, and customize your notification preferences. Here comes the most exciting section, shared notes and private notes. Shared notes is an ideal space for any group notes, status updates, and descriptions. The note is visible to all group members. And private notes allow you to leave personal reminders for yourself. This is private and only visible to you. Lastly, you'll find all media, files, and links that have been shared within the channel. Team channels are where great ideas converge. Create a new channel. Name the channel and invite members to join the team. That's all it takes to create a team channel. In the channel details, you can even update the channel's profile picture and manage member permissions. Following the same procedure, you can create different team channels for different purposes and members. In order to join any channel, you have to accept the invitation. To accept, just hit the yes button, and you have access to all these amazing WorkChat features. WorkChat, chat for work.